involved in the juggling component, then you're familiar with Mills Mess, which is a juggling trick where your hands are crossing and uncrossing the whole time. You can do versions of that with the devil stick as well, because most of these tricks cross-pollinate from toy to toy. So you're in a tick-tock back and forth. And you can just hold it in the middle and twist your sticks and untwist, but you can also get a hit each time. And that one's easiest if you contact with both sticks. It's as it starts unwinding your hands. Single, single, double.